Ahoy, treasure seekers. The seas of the E-mini S&P 500 futures has been pillaging profits from some and rewarding others. Off the waves, the last 5 hours. First filling our booty chests, then seeing the tide turn on us. Batten down the hatches as we chart a course through these choppy waters. Let's jump right into it. Key buy and sell levels, or ranges. Value area, high, VAH, 6,910. Behave like the high crow's nest. If the crew climbs above this rigging, they are looking for clear horizons. Value area low, VAL, 6,870, the waterline of the hull. A breach here means the ship is taking on water and heading for the locker. Point of control, POC, 6,887, the galley where the most rum was distributed and the most sailors gathered today. Support zone, 68 to 6875, a reinforced bulkhead where the hull is strongest and the defenders are ready. Resistance zone, 6,905 to 6,915, a heavy iron chain across the harbor entrance, difficult to break without a full gale. Single prints, escape paths, upper, 6,912 to 6,913, a narrow gap in the reef. If the sloop darts through, the wind is truly at its back. Market context. Today's engagement has been a tactical withdrawal. After a failed boarding attempt at the 6913 peak, the fleet has drifted back toward the 6,870 shoals. The sailors are weary as the heavy selling pressure acts like a dragging anchor, preventing any meaningful advance toward the northern straits. It is a day of defensive maneuvers and battening down the hatches. 3-day march through the naval charts. Day 3, February 20th, POC 6,890, high 6,932, low 6,847. The fleet sailed wide through choppy waters, but the midshipmen held the center. Day 2, February 22nd, POC 6,904, high 6,923, low 6,900. A tight formation in the northern straits, preparing the cannons for a breakout. Day 1, February 23rd, POC 6,887, high 6,913, low 6,868, a retreat to the southern islands as the tide turned against the flagship. Value has drifted lower after a brief foray into the northern waters. Acceptance above the waterline would signal a counterattack, while a failure at the hull invites a plunge into the depths. Volume analysis, cumulative volume delta, CVD, breakdown. Session, open, CVD, 69 contracts. The voyage began with a calm sea and a light breeze from the buyers. Intraday peak, buying, CVD climbed to 5,571, a massive broadside as the bulls tried to seize the deck. Current CVD, negative 4,486 net, negative 4,555 from open, meaning the enemy has boarded and cleared the deck over the last sessions. Intraday low, CVD low, negative 8,256, a moment of total chaos where it seemed the ship might founder entirely. Interpretation, aggressive, sell-side delta. Entering late session, any rally will need a fresh crew and a strong wind to push past the high rigging at 6,910. Risk management considerations, long trades. Entry zone, near VAL, 6,868 to 6,875. Stop loss, below the lower bulkhead at approximately 6,864, 4 points below VAL, or use average true range, ATR, approximately 6 points below entry. Profit target, initial target at POC 6,887. Major target at VAH, 6,910. Short trades. Entry zone. On rejection of VAH, 6,905 to 6,915, or breakdown through VAL. Stop loss. Above VAH ceiling at approximately 6,919 or ATR above entry. Profit target. POC for first partial, then VAL. Position sizing. Use a maximum 1 to 2% account risk per idea, equalized by stop distance. Trail stops to the last defended level after first target is secured. Potential scenarios and trade setups. Scenario A. Acceptance above VAH. The fleet catches a gale and blasts through the harbor chain at 6,910. Setup. Enter long above 6,910 with stop at 6,887. POC. Target 6,925 plus on momentum continuation. Scenario B. Rejection at VAH. The cannons at the fort roar and slam the ships back from 6,910 to 6,915. Setup. Short on first failure off VAH. Stop above 6,919. Target POC, then VAL. Scenario C. Failure at VAL. The hull cracks and the ship sinks below the 6,870 waterline. Setup. Short a break below 6,870. Stop above 6,876. Recent swing high. Target 6,850 depths. Scenario D. Value bounce. The sailors find a hidden sandbar at VAL and hold their ground. Setup. Long at 6,870. Stop at 6,864. Target POC, then VAH. Smash the like and subscribe button. Click the bell to receive content notifications. Remember, the future belongs to the focused. Stay disciplined, stay curious, and as always, trade smart, trade strong, and never stop leveling up. I'll see you in the markets.